it is fixed. So it's very easy, everything is fixed. Hello friends, hope you are fine. As I have started sharing some of the things while I do, I learn a lot, and I just want to share it with you guys also. I know that many people experience small problems while working with a different kind of websites. So wherever I feel that this can be conveyed, this can be shared, it is important for you guys, so I do that. So today I'm going to tell you to share that I'm working on a website. This is the website, and see, it looks pretty fine. I have just worked on it, and it is almost done. Couple of things are still there, but I have almost done it, right? And it looks pretty fine. Some sections are still there, but most of the section are already done. So what exactly I have experienced the problem, it is working perfectly fine with the big screen, with the desktop, even with the tablet also. But when I tested it with the mobile, I just inspected, and I have found something which is very weird thing, which is these days there are different kind of devices, so we need to test it on different kind of device, such as here with different iPhone, and every browser gives this kind of problem. So I was just working on this Pixel 7. This is average moderate screen, right? So what was the problem actually? See, it looks pretty okay when I just scroll it down, but see, it is moving completely toward left. See there, right? So this is the problem actually. This is the problem, that it is not 100% responsive. So I'll tell you that how we can fix it. It is easy, very easy. You don't need to code a lot, but a small piece of code through CSS you can do that. So what exactly you need, I have just prepared that code here. This is the code, right? And to make the full screen responsive, so how we can do that, this is I have just defined HTML, and this will be applicable for the whole body, the complete body. And the logic is that max width will be 100%. I have just typed important, because when we just type the important, irrespective of any kind of CSS, even if you write it 50% or something else, this will be applicable, because this is the internal functionality of cascading sheet, that if we mention the important, it will always bypass all these things and it will be applicable there. So this is the code, and I'll tell you where exactly you need to paste this code. You can just simply copy it, right? And where you need to go, I'll tell you. This is my dashboard, and where I'm working, and though I can do it through plugins, there are so many coding plugins also. I use this custom CSS, JSS, etc. But this time I'm going to use the traditional one, and that is the customizer. You need to go to the appearance, just hover over it, click on customizer. You can right click, or you can just simply click on it. Once you go to the customizer, here is the section, the last thing. So you may have the different kind of options altogether there, because I'm using a Hello Elementor theme for this. So you need to click here, and here simply you can paste it, right? See, I have just commented it. Please comment it try to comment every whatever you do, try to comment it, so that in case if your code somebody else inspects or somebody else go through your code, then the particular person can understand. This really helps, right? So what I did, I have just pasted this and I'll publish it, right? And here I'll show you, I'm using Elementor also, see, right? So what I'll do now, I'll check it here with this, see, now I'll just refresh it, see, it is fixed. So it's very easy, everything is fixed, totally it is fixed, you can see that. So this is how you can do it. You may encounter this kind of problem with the different kind of websites, but mostly it will work. Or if it is not working, so there could be the different reasons behind that, but primarily this time what I have found that this was the problem. So what I'll do, I'll share this code with my comment as well, and I'll just also mention the path, that how you can go there. You just need to go to the WordPress dashboard, then select the customizer and additional CSS. That's all you need to do, right? So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe it. Thank you.